this is Harry J from Mass Communication. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do a hard factory reset to your iPad mini 4 or after that any version came into the market till today. The process will be the same. Okay, here we go. I have iPad mini 4 in gold version. No matter which version you have, you have to unlock your tablet. Now what can you do in this case? You have to back up all your data, everything whatever you have inside with your iCloud option, with your Apple account, or you can do manual backup in your computer or whatever place you want. Okay, after doing all the backup, you have to go to the setting option. We have to go to this option, reset. In reset, you have so many options, one after another. You have reset all setting, erase all content and setting, reset network setting, reset keyboard, dictionary, reset home screen layout, reset location and privacy. Okay, reset all setting that I want, or you can choose also erase all content and setting. Both are effective in this case. I hit reset all settings. I have to put my password that I have. Okay, you see after doing this, I get this information. It's telling me this will reset all setting, no data media will be deleted. Okay, in this case, nothing gonna be deleted. So I don't want this. I want to delete everything, put back all again. I hit cancel in this one. The next option I go. Do you want to update iCloud backup, erasing backup, the erase now, cancel. I don't want to update any backup or anything. I just want to erase now all. The second option, if you want to do backup, do that. I hit erase now all. Okay, I have to put the password. I put the password. They ask me the permission. This will delete all media and data and reset all setting. So I want to do this. I hit erase. Erase on one more time. I have to put the password of my Apple ID. I put the password. Now my iPad is starting. As you see, it will take time. You have to be patient. Amount of data you have, this is 32 version of iPad mini, so you have more. It will take more time. When you have more data, it will take more time. And obviously you can recover all the information. That one is connected with my iPhone and also with my MacBook, so all the information is in iCloud. Is gone down. Black screen again, log of Apple. Let's see. It's taking good amount of time. I'm waiting still. Okay, it's done. It's saying me hello, hola in Spanish. Press any button, the bonjour. Have to hit the home button. After that I hit English. Okay, select your country or region. Okay, I put here Argentina. At the moment I'm here. Set up manually. Hello, quick setup manually. I have to put my Wi-Fi, what is available. Okay, I will connect with my Wi-Fi connection. I hit here join. The Wi-Fi is connected. Okay, let me see what happened here. I have next button. I hit this one. A few minutes, it will be activate my iPad. Okay, continue data privacy, touch ID. Set up touch ID later or continue. I will set up later. I hit don't use touch ID. Okay, create a password. I have to put a password. I put 2-time password. Okay, restore from iCloud backup, restore from. Okay, I hit restore from. I hit this one. Okay, I have to put my Apple ID and password and I will be back. I put my Apple ID and password. I hit next button. It's sending me verification code at my phone. Okay, I got the code at my phone. I'm typing here. Okay, is done. Is activate the code. Here we go, term and condition. I hit agree. It may take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID. This could be the same ID for your MacBook, for Apple Watch, or for iPhone, or any other Apple device you have. You can use all of them together. You can connect in the same environment, all of them together. It's taking a little bit more. Okay, choose backup. Okay, August 18, 2020, today 1:17. Today is September. I will hit the backup here. Latest backup with my iPhone. Restore from iCloud backup today. Okay, enable local service. I hit this one. iPad, don't share. This I don't want. Okay, update software, download and install new version of iOS 13.7. I hit download and install. If you want, you can update, but they don't give me any option with escaping this process, so it will take me more time. Update requested, because the version of iOS is very big, 2.7 giga in this case. Let's see. Okay, after starting couple of times, it brings me to this screen. I have to put the password of my Apple ID. I can skip this process, so they can put all the apps that I purchased from Apple Store. So I'm gonna put the password and I'll be back. I'll put my password. It's checking for validation. Perhaps they will send me again some code in my iPhone. Okay, this time no. Let's see, restore from iCloud. Taking me much time again. So you have process that took me long, more than hour, to update, to restore from blah blah blah. So if you want to do all that, take your time. Okay, the screen goes black. Let's see. Again, Apple logo. Okay. Restore complete. I hit continue. Agree term and condition. Keep iPad up to date. I hit continue. Okay, continue. Okay, I have light and dark. I leave as light. Continue, 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 continue. Get started. Wow, isn't it beautiful? Okay, all the apps you see, they are downloading because it was a hard factory reset, and I have new version of iOS. That is from the bottom. I don't have more. The sliding screen, I think, is from corner. Okay, I have to find it out as something this side. I have some screen from this side. I have another lock screen. Okay, I have to find out different option of iOS 13.6, I think, if I'm not wrong. Okay guys, so this is hard factory reset to your iPad mini 4 or later version, any other iPad mini you have. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, boy.